Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm standing outside of the Restore in the snow because I'm going to go inside and take a look around. Bunch of tools today. Someone donated a whole lot of Milwaukee tools. Now the prices aren't awesome, but you know, they're Milwaukee tools. That's a jigsaw. This, I'm not sure what it was. It didn't really care. This is a staple tacker. It's like a hammer. And this DeWalt drill is kind of a nice one. It's old. It's in the metal box. You know, they haven't done metal boxes in quite a while. Then you get down here and they want $85 for this dovetail set, although the dovetail jig is a very nice one. I don't know what these things are. Looks like something from a sensor. This is just a grindstone. $2. This one, I'm not sure what it is. It's some kind of an impact hammer. Looks like a star drill. It's got a odd chuck and one bit in the box. But I'm sure it's a very nice one because it's old. It's all aluminum, and don't know what brand it is though. Didn't see a nameplate. This is a little Black & Decker, one of the early ones, aluminum body. Just kind of looking around, figuring out what I'm going to look at. That's that tacker again. I used one putting up Tyvek on buildings, and they're actually kind of nice, but I don't have much need for it now. Black & Decker drill. Quarter cable saw and drill. Comes with the batteries and the charger. They have enough things like that. I don't need another one. Another Black & Decker drill, or saw, and a Black & Decker drill. Not a bad price. I have to think before I reach down to pick up something this heavy. It's a Milwaukee drill. Old one. Back when they were still making the D-bodies. Had to get clear down on my prayer bones to find this one. I'd get this if I didn't already have the Hitachi. Don't like them without a guard though. Always want to have a guard around a grinding wheel. Just bins full of onesie-twosies. They rearranged the floor again. A couple new ladies running the store. I think that's good because the prices dropped. Yeah, if this was 6 months ago, I'd have picked these up, but I got plenty now. Thinking about this for the bedroom fan, but nah, it's a trouble. Gas grove. It's one of those artificial log burners. And they've got some saws, and that screwdriver rack looks interesting, but then I don't need another screwdriver rack. I have a fascination with wooden boxes. Nicely made one. What have we here? A Craftsman 10-inch table saw. Used to think it's a 10-inch. Like 8.5 like mine. $150. Nice though, it's on a table. Somebody put a box underneath it to catch the wood scraps coming out from under the blade. Has a Craftsman on it, and that was something I was interested in because that's broken off on mine. It's a little Sears bandsaw for a basement shop. Got a good deep throat because it's got 3 wheels on it. But they tend to be tough on blades. Nice for little things though. It's a Sears drill. There. Not anything I'm interested in. Batteries don't last. Copper tubing and heavy wire. Not something I need a lot of, and it's usually pretty expensive. File cabinets. I almost always use file cabinets. I know we're supposed to be a paperless society, but we sure do create a lot of paper. Took a lot of looking, but I did find something. What it is. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.